Your license is your livelihood. And once you get an investigation letter or a complaint, most of those rules on how the discipline process works, you're not familiar with, you haven't experienced, and there's no margin of error. You get one go through that process. When you handle it yourself, it's possible that you're making mistakes that you don't even realize you're making, and you can be causing problems that may not be able to be fixed. There's strict deadlines, there's a very strict process in how the complaint process works out, and so you have to follow that. Having the advice of a professional that deals in this all day, every day, can greatly improve your chances of success. The best time to reach out to an attorney if you're facing a complaint or an investigation is as soon as possible. When that is likely going to be is when you get an investigative letter that lets you know a complaint has been filed against your license, and it gives you an opportunity to respond before your case gets presented to your license's board and the probable cause panel, and they will hear your case and decide whether or not to file a complaint. Ideally, it's best to act as soon as possible. Regardless of where you're at in your process for your situation, you can reach out to us, provide us with the records that you have, and we're more than happy to do a free consultation and let you know where you're at, what your options are, and how we can help. I understand every case is different, but once you've received an administrative complaint, if you've retained our firm, ideally we can challenge some part of the allegations and posture the case in a way that we're able to get materials on your case from the department, talk to their attorney, and see if there's some type of resolution that both they and you are acceptable with that reaches the best possible outcome for you. In some instances, a settlement isn't going to be able to be reached. There's still other options for you, like an informal hearing in front of your licensing board or challenging the allegations further through a trial at the Division of Administrative Hearings. We're prepared to help you no matter what route your case takes. So regardless of where you're located, we have offices across the state of Florida, and we're ready to represent you. Your licensing board likely meets across the state, and so we travel regularly to these board meetings. Our headquarters is out of Tallahassee, which is where most of the government offices are. So if there is some kind of an emergency and we need to hand deliver something for your case, we're readily able to do that.
If you're facing legal challenges, you need a strategic defense. Howell, Buchan Strong is Florida's trusted team to help you protect your license.